In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to delete media files in WhatsApp chat and keep text messages. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have a different version of Android, not a problem. This should work for you. Now, the first thing is get hold of your phone and open WhatsApp. So after you open WhatsApp, get to the chat you would want to go ahead and delete your media files from. So for instance, if you want to delete, say in this chat, you have media files like photos or videos and documents, you just go ahead, click on the menu icon, click on more, and then click on clear chat. You're going to get a pop-up like this. Here you have two options. The first one is all messages, which is going to delete everything, your media files, your text messages in the chat and everything. But if you want to just delete media files, select the second option, and you're going to get an option again to clear either photos or videos or audio files. So see, supposing you do not want to delete the photos, you just want to delete the audio files or the video files. So uncheck photos and click on clear media, and all your videos or all your voice notes are going to be deleted out here. Now, if you want to delete everything, just ensure everything is checked out here, like photos, videos, documents, and then click on clear media. Everything is going to get cleared from here. And if you want to go ahead and delete everything along with your chats, just ensure you select all messages, click on clear chat, and everything is going to get deleted. So this new feature is actually going to help you clear your chats even more precisely. It is also going to go ahead and free up more space on your phone. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.